Melodies.
Hey there! Today I am going to be sharing with you a special day that we had with Summer's favorite cousin and best friend, Alice. She is our oldest granddaughter and they are only 6 weeks apart. But you wouldn't be able to tell that by looking at them because Alice is a whole head taller. It's crazy. But they are so fun to watch together because they have so much fun. But this was filmed back in February, clear back before all the shutdown. We had gone to the Loveland Living Planet Aquarium in Salt Lake City. And it was a really good day. And I have finally broken down and have downloaded the new editing program, Filmora. I'm trying it out for the first time. And so please bear with me as I try to learn all the skills that it has on my very first try. I have dumped it and restarted it like 4 times because it was just frustrating me so bad. The tutorial kept telling me it was point and click and drag and drop and do all that fun easy stuff like I need because I am not very tech savvy. However, I was having issues that when I would drop the music down into the track, it would split the video part up and leave all these blank spots. And I had no clue what I was doing on why it was happening that way. And so I'd have to delete the music back off of there and scrunch the video all back together again. And finally it got so frustrating I deleted the whole entire thing and started completely over. And finally, I was able to get it to all mesh together, and I still have no clue to this day what happened to make it split all apart in the first place. But since this is my first time trying this new editing program, be kind, please. And if you have any suggestions on to making it easier for me, I would really appreciate it. And so I just was trying to have my videos just be a little bit more creative looking. So here you go, and I hope you enjoy it, and it was a really good day.
Ready? Ring the bell.
And what else? Subscribe, like, share,
and bye.
And bye. Good job.
Love you.
Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are 3 for the Road RV. They call this exhibit the Tropical Rainforest, and they keep it very humid in here. And look at all the beautiful lush greenery. And they have this awesome rope bridge right here that the kids can walk across. And so you will see Alice, who we brought with us today, and Summer coming across, so stay tuned.